coming back to school with me? We could have done it all so easily.
Hi, my name is Craig Thompson-Wood. I'm the board game teacher. Thanks for coming to the classroom. Well, my students have come up with a way today. When we look at the problem, remember I said the most threatening one right now is this number 2, because if it comes down one more space, it's going to start eating these survivors. So that's really the priority one to get here. So what they got for that one is they said 6 minus 3 is 3, minus 1 is 2. So you could have also done 6 divided by 3 is 2 times 1. So there's different ways that one could have been achieved, but they got it, so I'll take it out. But what they had failed to mention was you could have used Laura, who says that you pick a zombie and if defeated, remove it and all the zombies directly behind it. So you could have got this one and this one and this one. So that is something to keep in mind because it's a very useful ability. But if you're not going to say it, I'm not going to do it, this is why it's a collaborative game, remember. So you are working together, and I want the students, I want you to read each other's comments and answer and see what you can do to help out here. So that was our last round for day 1. So now what happens at the end of the thing? Like a normal game, you would be sitting at a table with a bunch of people and everybody would take their turn. Well, obviously that can't happen these days with our distance learning. So we've taken a few turns. So now all the zombies are moving down one space. And I am going to now put in some fresh zombies. All right, so we got a little bit lucky there. We have a few items. So one is a dustbin lid. So you can add 1 or subtract 1 from a zombie's strength. So you can turn like the 19 into an 18, the 216 to a 215 or 217. So you can add 1 or subtract 1 from the zombie's strength, which is in the red there. I'll leave it there so it's nice and visible. And this is similar. The energy drink adds 1 or minuses 1 from a dice, so turning or a dice combination. So 6 plus 3 is 9, 10, or 3 becomes a 4, and then square that. So you can change a dice. So these gives us a bit of room to manipulate some things. And then the alien portal. Now these are each one use, but this one is one that we keep forever now, as far as I understand, because it doesn't say anywhere on the card that you remove it. But any dice you choose to put in the alien portal can become negative, which is going to be very helpful for getting things like the negative 14. All right, so now for next round, remember to use Laura if you can. Especially if you can get number 12 here, because then we get all the ones behind it. But any of the zombies really is going to be able to get 2 zombies if we use Laura at this point. And now we're on to number 14. So we still have a few more rounds before Laura will come back, but again, the focus right now is to get the 29 and the 19, because if we go another round without getting rid of them, they're coming down. Now we do have a few rounds before I'll shift it down again. We'll have another 4 rounds. So you don't have to get them this round, but make sure that you are thinking about them before the next round sets, before the end of this round. So here's the dice roll for today. We have a 1, 2, 3. So with 1, 2, 3, what can you get with those? Can you get any of the zombies here? And, particularly if you can get the number 12, maybe get that. You wipe out 3 zombies in one go. Remember, the whole focus is really to try and wipe out all the zombies so we can add to our survivors. Well, I look forward to hearing your answers, and make sure you leave them in the comment section below. Until next time, I'm Craig Thompson-Wood, the board game teacher, saying thanks for coming to the classroom.
Are you coming back to school